Hello everyone, Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Welcome to kind of like tiny readings, okay? I'm going to try to figure out what is your universal bridge. I used to take out this kind of reading. Um, where you stand or how you see, where they stand and how they see. You choose the side, okay? And the anchor, which is blockage or something like a challenge, and where it is heading. Follow me on Instagram, SSHE, LLSSH running. Let's start. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Let's begin. Time is problem in coming together, totally, like kind of energy, okay? So we're going to see what's your universal bridge for Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. I'm going to cut the deck in 4. Some of you might be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And I get this vibe of like you don't like the creepy smile. I don't know how it is coming, kind of. Like someone who doesn't approve of someone's action or the way they behave or something that you don't approve, okay? And you people are karmically connected. They are going to do the stuff and then they're going to repeat something and you don't like it. So maybe there is someone you dealt or you're dealing still with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Somehow this person is definitely going to call you back. I feel like you're going to hear from them. Okay, let's see your universal bridge, which is about emotional bridge, or which is about your destiny connected with the person in the now. Okay, 8 of Wands, someone is going to contact you now. However, this may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or anyone. Okay, like just the sign that I'm giving you. So now you choose the side, your or their, however it fits you. Okay, I'm going to take out one by one. They may be Leo and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. 5 of Wands, and where your situation is heading. Okay, now I feel they're looking forward to contact with you and they're going to smile back at you, and this may be something happening after a while. The reason is that you've been into, look, the anchor is all about that someone is not ready to settle, or this may be something challenging for the person to get to you or to get through the situation. You people have arguments, like someone's the fire is always out, like kind of energy. Someone might be angry, or maybe this is the anchor that someone is not ready to resolve something or solve something with you. You people don't agree or don't come on common grounds. But the problem over here is also that this is about something that goes versus, but then again they want to get back. Someone does want that, they want to surrender towards you, or they feel good when they are with you. Like it's connected with something that is connected with having control over something or situation, or someone does like it when you do it like that. Okay, kind of energy. Let's see a universal bridge. It is supposed to be, it's very heavy that someone does want to talk to you, but when something is not being confirmed, that creates that agitation around you. But in the present, I feel someone is having conversation with you and they're going to contact, even if this is the challenge. Okay, so the anchor is about what is stopping you not to take things further or manifest, or you feel like it's not going anywhere, kind of energy. It's like a fog energy, which is about the settling issues. Okay, or maybe this is someone who is going through their own issues right now, which may be again challenging for them as an individual. Now if this is your energy, like how you're looking at it, you feel that there's no point. I feel like I'm picking the words like no point. Okay, or something that is causing you that trouble. 8 of Swords, someone is too much in head here, and the one who is looking at you is, they know that their strength, like kind of energy that they want this bond with you. Maybe there's a Leo in particular, I'm telling you that, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and they know this, they smile and you feel that it is like they're irritating me, or they're creating something, but exactly they find warmth and they love, and their passion is for you only. I feel like they are looking forward to manifest a lot of stuff here with you. You have the Magician. They're looking forward, and this situation is going towards that you even don't know. If you don't know and you have confusion, then this is all about convincing aspects. Some of you might be going through manipulation, and maybe the one who is coming towards, they want to tell you, they want to make you believe in something, like showing you the magic or illusion, and you don't want to. However, we are going to see what is beyond this Magician here. Knight of Wands, there is approach. I'm telling you that this person is coming all the way. If you knew them as a king or the queen kind of energy, like you knew them so well. Now this is the vibe of Knight of Wands energy again. And I also heard kind of in my thought that Knight of Swords, like kind of like some conversation is coming ahead. Okay, this person is coming towards manifesting something. However, they are very much confident and they know that they're going to talk to you. Okay, so Knight of Wands. Now what you do is different concept, but here there's a next event or curiosity connected with this person, then they have confidence that they're going to manifest something with you of you know, at least they're going to talk to you. I feel like, yeah, Knight of Wands, there is something that's going to enter. Oh, did you just saw it? My this bracelet. It was like a click, and there's going to be something knock, or there's going to be some message. Let me fix this. Someone who is going to come to fix something like this to tighten it up. They are going to tell you that I feel warm with you, I have passion for you, I want to take things further. They're also doing the bandage kind of thing on the situation. Okay, let's see what they want to talk. Ooh, they want to talk about future, they want to talk about destiny, they want to talk about the stork and the good news, and they want to talk about, this is Aquarius, Aquarius, you might be dealing with all of the situation possible as in particular or anything, but with the stars it is supposed to be happening. Okay, yes, all they have is you in their mind kind of. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy here. Okay, they want to talk about manifestation. This is King of Cups, so possible Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. There is someone who is coming to manifest emotions with you. Okay, so you already know this person, some of you know. Yes, I feel like on Eight of Swords, whoever is in so much of mind right now and thinking, which is someone who is taking break, okay, or after pause, something is going to happen here. They're trying to reach to you. However, this is about breaking. I mean, feel breaking means you want them to break this wall in order to seep in your heart, which is difficult, of course, because there was miscommunication. Something happened that made you look like this. Maybe you became cold and you don't want to see it. Five of Wands, I see the sun in your life, Leo, or sun in your life means there's going to be happy decisions coming ahead. Three of Pentacles, I see someone who is busy in work, but kind of like they're also thinking about you while manifesting the stuff, and they're looking forward to contact you. Three of Pentacles is also, is telling me the mending aspect, something that someone, I apologize, please ignore. Someone who is trying to figure out a way to contemplate everything, and I feel like they really want to manifest something with you, which is about mending. Okay, how to make it work. Whoa, how to make this relationship work. Now this is a Four of Wands energy. They want to celebrate something with you, they want stability with you, they're thinking how to make it work, which is the reason that they're looking forward. Okay, they're looking forward to manifest this conversation, this action-oriented approach. They are destined to meet you, and they know that this is what I want. They want to discuss this with you. This is about love, this is about meeting together, this is about settling, moving in, getting married, or long-term celebration or something. They have something in mind. They have a big pentacle coming on the way. Okay, like they have this reason to celebrate something in the coming time, that my work, my thing is not going in vain. Okay, this may be as an individual your own whole journey of manifesting, buying something, thinking a lot, taking ahead things, controlling what was not in the situation to be controlled. Okay, settling your own issues, manifesting stuff here. Drawing the line, Five of Swords energy. I recorded one of the videos, I shared that on the reel and the story of the Insta, and then on my YouTube shorts as well, and I talked about that. I even recorded dragonfly came and sat by, like nearby. Okay, let's complete this with romance angels. There's going to be reconciliation happening. Only one card. I want to keep it short, so just 10 minutes or so reading. Okay, reconciliation is happening. Someone from your past is returning to your life. There is Two of Cups energy, definitely, or someone is planning on having this reconciliation with you, and this is happening in the future. Okay, take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.